So on the front of the body, you have the Ren channel on the midline. The next channel out is the kidney channel. Okay, kidney channel is supposed to be like 0.5, yeah, 0.5 cm lateral to the anterior midline. So you have, instead of one line, now you have two just lateral to the Ren. You know, so to work on both channels at the same time, you can kind of make your hand almost like you're pinching, but not really. I put my thumbs on one line and like maybe my middle finger or my middle and fourth fingers on the other, and all I do is I just kind of rock. I put some pressure on my thumbs first, and then I go on the other side and then put pressure on the fingers. So it's like you're rocking back and forth between the right and left lines of the kidney channel, and then you just work your way gradually down along the kidney channel. So
just watching it is giving me a gas.
yeah.
You know, it's like.
I'm gonna kinda,
I mean, did it help? I mean, I'm. Steve is talking.
Okay, I'm just gonna kind of accelerate a little bit just so that I don't bore people. But you just follow the kidney channel down.
So which line do you kind of like stop? Where his belt is, or how far up down from the belly button? A handful, like
a
that.
handbreath down.
Stop there. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
you don't have to go all the way down
purposeless.
to
Yeah.
the pubis bone. Okay. After the kidney, then you get to the stomach line. Stomach line is 2 cm lateral, so a good guide for that on men anyway. Okay. The nipple line right here is supposed to be 4 cm lateral, and half of that distance is where the stomach line is. So stomach line is about here. So just a little wider. Yeah. Another way you can find where the stomach line is on people who have really developed like rectus abdominis muscles. That's the lateral border of that muscle should be about 4 cm. So you would take half of that. Okay. And we do the same kind of rocking motion this way. Hey, Mark. No. So thumbs on one side and then the fingers on the other. Just kind of rocking. Thumbs are pretty.
No, it's alright. It's just there's something sensitive
under my thumbs.
Is that colon? I'm just kidding.
Beat you too.
But you work down the stomach line on both sides as low as you want.
So what's the middle line? I was filming.
This is called the REN.
R-E-N?
Yeah. It's it's one of the extraordinary vessels.
Oh. Okay, that's all. I can look.
Anyway.
Both my sons were born because I had Ren 1 done. It's true.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She wasn't getting pregnant till I had that done.
What's ring 1?
Oh, it's
That's a
way
special
underneath.
point.
You don't want to put a needle.
I saw that on the picture.
The bottom of the C.
And it worked.
Okay. After we work, Ren, kidney, stomach channels, then I like to try to work the whole abdomen. And most people you can't do that with one hand. So all I do is I apply my whole palm pressure from one side this way. It's like I'm trying to scoop up and push the abdominal contents to one side, and then from the other side I kind of pull back this way.
What do you do? Cupping?
No, I'm just press or pushing with my palm. Okay, and same. And
Follow
then
the
shift your
contour.
position down and do the same thing. Yeah, and remember, you know, it is like a three-dimensional and kind of a rounded shape, so it's not just a matter of going like straight this way and straight back. You kind of, like when I'm pushing this way right below the ribs, I'm kind of you know, following the shape of the ribs here, and then going back also in kind of, you know, following that shape this way. And then when I shift to a lower position, I'm kind of scooping more like this lower abdomen region this way, and then coming back.
So you treat that tummy like a little barrel,
Huh?
like a little barrel.
A barrel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you can think of it.
A keg of beer.
Okay.
Do you ever
Yes,
do
you
it across this
Not
way,
you,
like
not
in
you.
Lomi?
More like
You're a CY
how do you
too.
Yeah, like
titanium bed.
Lomi will go from up here